Step 1. Start by rinsing your hair with hot water. Hot water will open the cuticle, which is good for removing any dirt or product trapped in the hair. Once your hair has been rinsed with warm water, it loosens the oils throughout the scalp and opens up the cuticles so it's able to absorb the oil. Step 2. If you have long hair, condition first. Yes, really? If you have hair that goes beneath your shoulders, protect fragile ends from drying out and experiencing further damage by running a small amount of conditioner through the ends of your hair and lightly rinsing before you shampoo. Step 3. Lather up, but only at the scalp. You only need to shampoo the hair at the scalp, particularly at the nape. The best way to lather up is from roots to ends. The hair closest to the scalp is the youngest and will inevitably be the oiliest, while the end of the hair is the oldest and usually the driest, most fragile part of the hair. Step 4. Be gentle. Friction can permanently damage your hair's cuticle, leading to breakage and frizz. Think about washing your hair like you would wash your delicates. Step 5. Don't rinse and repeat. Despite what the instructions may say on the back of your shampoo bottle, there's no need to wash your hair twice. Step 6. Finish with cold water and rinse. Cold water will shut the cuticle tight, sealing the outer layer and holding moisture in. Please let us know in the comments below if this has helped you. Thank you.